Hello, Texas residents and anyone else who has Bermuda grass. Is it the middle of winter and your grass is bright green? Well, guess what? If you have Bermuda grass, that's not grass, that's fucking weeds. Your grass should look like this. Nice and brown, dormant, asleep for the winter. So how do we fix this problem? Easy. We're gonna go take a road trip to your nearest Lowe's or Home Depot, maybe even Walmart. Time to hit up the garden center. Let's go take a walk. First thing first, you need this. And then, you need this. Change your gear from this to this, and go hit the yard as ready to work. Do this, then you do this, and then you do this. Pull up all those little weeds, and then you have this, a beautiful yard ready for the springtime.